Struggling to access your SARS e-filing profile? The problem could be outdated contact details or security contact details. If your security contact details are outdated, you may not receive your one-time PIN, making it difficult to log in with two-factor authentication. You may also be unable to reset your username or password if your contact details are outdated. Outdated contact details can prevent you from updating your banking details, as SARS uses one-time PINs for verification. You could miss important SARS notices, including your auto-assessment, simply because your contact details are not up to date. The good news? You don't need to visit a SARS branch. Simply go to the SARS e-filing login page and click on Update Contact Details. You can securely update your details using biometric verification. Stay connected. Stay compliant. Update your contact details today on SARS e-filing. Make tax matters your priority number 1. SARS, at your service.